Hey guys, we're here with Angel, where today we're talking about what TURY Fast can do for him and to his customers. This product is a simple plug and play T-harness throttle response enhancement tool. It gets rid of a lot of the factory delay that's typically found in most new cars today, telling the car that the gas pedal is basically positioned in another spot. So from position 1, the car thinks it's in position 4. This gets rid of that unnecessary delay that's found in primarily all vehicles today. Diesel trucks, you'll probably notice if you've ever driven a diesel truck, you have to really push the pedal down quite a bit farther in order to get response out of it for the transmission to downshift and to really accelerate in traffic. This eliminates all of that unwanted throttle display, or throttle response delay. The other benefit that we have is that it allows you to delay the gas pedal for valet parking. So if you've got a specialty sports car, a big lifted truck, and you're worried that some valet parker is going to hot rod it through the parking lot, we can reduce the output of the gas pedal as much as 85%, eliminating the need for them to come to you and find you at the table saying, "Mr. Customer, your car's been damaged in an accident." The other unique feature is we have a park mode. It basically locks the gas pedal. So if you have children in the house that may be taking your car for a hot rod test drive in the middle of the night, you can essentially lock the gas pedal. They can have the key in their hand, the vehicle will start, basically giving them zero throttle response without having to worry about them taking the car. They can start it, they just can't use the gas pedal. And that's done with a password protected portion of our Bluetooth app here. What we're showing here is this is our TURY test drive kit. Our TURY test drive kit includes 27 different harnesses for up to 600 different vehicle combinations. This is designed to be a selling tool. So when a client walks in your door, you don't have to return them away without having a piece of inventory. You'll be able to plug this in any customer's vehicle, giving them the ability to experience the product. This is a product that needs to be experienced. It's not just going to be sold as we're talking about here in the counter display. You can then give them the ability to download the app, program it to the vehicle, essentially giving them that full real-time sales experience with either you in the car or letting them go on their own. Once they decide to buy it, you can leave it in their car and then order a replacement to fill. This is a sales tool. This is going to be exclusively offered to a very limited amount of dealers. This is a launch edition kit. And with this kit will also come with dealer tech support, it will come with dealer locator support, and it'll come with some discounted product options and some just overall PLP advantages than a non-direct dealer will have.
Really quick question is, customer comes in and I explain to them what it does and they say, okay, I want to take it for test drive. How long does it take to get them up and ready to test drive?
The installation is less than 15 minutes. It's simply unplug the factory connector at the gas pedal, insert our T-harness, program this to the pedal using the application. It's a very simple, press the gas pedal once, it's learned, the phone's auto-paired, and go. Simple, fast, easy to do. No damage to the car, no cutting to the vehicle, fully removable and fully replaceable. They sell the car, they want to take this with them in their new car, just unplug it and take it out. Take a look for our fast test drive kit. This allows any retailer to have every product all the time, every time, and never be able to tell a customer no. They want to experience this product. It's going to give you the ultimate sales tool. It's TURY Fast.